Hello, and welcome to Docens Digitalis TV, the channel where you'll learn the essential English vocabulary needed to understand and navigate laws, politics, and government, especially in the United States. If you've ever found legal terms confusing or difficult to understand, don't worry. Here, we explain everything in a simple and practical way so you can use these words with confidence. In today's video, we'll go over legal vocabulary for beginners in English. These are basic legal terms that will help you understand legal documents, court proceedings, and even everyday conversations about the law. Let's get started. The first word you need to know is law. A law is a rule created by the government that everyone must follow. Laws exist to maintain order and protect people's rights. The process of creating laws is called legislation. Next, we have court. A court is the place where legal cases are heard and decided. The person who makes the final decision in a court case is the judge, and the two opposing sides are represented by lawyers or attorneys. Another important term is lawsuit. A lawsuit happens when one person or company takes another to court to settle a dispute. The person who starts the lawsuit is called the plaintiff, and the person or company being sued is the defendant. Now, let's talk about contract. A contract is a legal agreement between two or more people. If one side doesn't follow the contract, they are in breach of contract. Contracts are used in jobs, rentals, business deals, and many other situations. Another key term is evidence. Evidence includes documents, photographs, witness statements, or other proof used in court to support a case. The final decision in a case is called the verdict, and if someone is found guilty, they receive a sentence, a punishment decided by the court. You may also hear the word bail. Bail is money paid to the court to allow a person accused of a crime to stay out of jail until their trial. If they don't return for court, they lose the money. Finally, let's talk about rights. Rights are the freedoms and protections that individuals have under the law. In the United States, rights like freedom of speech and the right to a fair trial are protected by the Constitution. Learning these basic legal terms will help you better understand legal documents, court cases, and even legal news. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel using them. If you found this video helpful, please support our channel by liking this video, sharing it with others, and subscribing to Docens Digitalis TV. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content to help you learn and grow. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.